What if I told you that every single day after age 60, your body could be losing muscle, even while you're sitting in your favorite chair? And here's the scary part. Most seniors don't notice it until it's too late. One day, climbing stairs feels harder. Getting out of bed takes more effort. Carrying groceries becomes exhausting. Your muscles are slowly disappearing. This condition has a name. It's called sarcopenia, and it affects millions of older adults around the world. But here's the good news. Science has discovered that certain foods can help protect your muscles, support repair, and help your body stay stronger as you age. Today, we're talking about 3 surprising cheeses that may help your body fight muscle loss naturally. Before you stop eating cheese because of old myths, stay with me. Because one of these cheeses could become your secret weapon for preserving strength, energy, and vitality after 60. Let's begin. First, let's understand what happens inside the body. As we age, our muscles don't respond to protein the way they did when we were younger. The body's ability to regenerate muscle cells slows down. The production of important hormones decreases. Inflammation can increase, and many seniors unknowingly eat less protein than their bodies actually need. The result? Muscle loss accelerates. Weakness increases. Balance declines. The risk of falls rises, and everyday activities become more difficult. But why is muscle so important? Because muscle is not just about strength. Muscles help regulate sugar levels. They improve insulin sensitivity. They support healthy blood circulation. They help deliver oxygen throughout the body. They even influence brain health and nerve function. In other words, preserving muscle helps protect your entire body. Now here's where cheese enters the story. Certain cheeses contain high-quality protein. They provide essential amino acids, and one amino acid is especially important. It's called leucine. Leucine acts like a switch. It helps activate muscle-building processes inside the body. Think of it as a signal telling your muscles, it's time to repair. It's time to rebuild. It's time to grow stronger. Not all cheeses are equal. Some contain significantly more protein and muscle-supporting nutrients than others. Let's look at the top 3. Cheese #1, Parmesan. The first cheese may surprise you. Parmesan. This hard-aged cheese is one of the richest protein cheeses available. Just a small serving delivers a powerful amount of muscle-supporting nutrition. Because it is concentrated during the aging process, the protein becomes highly dense. That means more muscle-building power in fewer bites. Parmesan also contains calcium. Why does that matter? Strong muscles and strong bones work together. If your muscles are healthy, but your bones are weak, mobility still suffers. Parmesan helps support both. Try sprinkling it over vegetables, eggs, or soups. A little goes a long way. Cheese #2, Cottage Cheese. Next is cottage cheese. Many doctors and nutrition experts recommend it for older adults. And for good reason. Cottage cheese contains casein protein. Unlike some proteins that are digested quickly, casein is absorbed slowly. This means your muscles receive a steady supply of amino acids for hours, especially overnight. Imagine feeding your muscles while you sleep. That's one reason cottage cheese is often considered a muscle-preserving food. It is also lower in fat than many traditional cheeses. For seniors focused on maintaining a healthy weight while preserving muscle, that's a major advantage. Add berries, nuts, or sliced fruit for a simple and delicious snack. Cheese #3, Mozzarella. The third cheese is mozzarella. Fresh mozzarella provides quality protein along with important minerals. It's versatile, easy to eat, and often lower in sodium than many aged cheeses. Protein helps support muscle repair. Calcium supports movement. And together, they help maintain physical function. Many seniors find mozzarella easier to digest compared to heavily processed cheese products. Pair it with tomatoes, vegetables, or whole grain foods for a balanced meal. Your body gets the nutrients it needs without excessive calories. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake seniors make. They wait until muscle loss becomes obvious. By then, rebuilding strength becomes much harder. Instead, focus on prevention. Tip number 1. Eat protein at every meal, not just dinner. Your body benefits from a steady supply throughout the day. Tip number 2. Combine protein with resistance exercise. Even simple activities like walking, chair squats, or light weights can help activate muscle-building signals. Tip number 3. Stay physically active. Movement improves blood flow. It increases oxygen delivery and helps nutrients reach your muscles. Tip number 4. Watch your sugar intake. Excess sugar can contribute to inflammation and interfere with overall health. Tip number 5. Choose natural foods more often. Highly processed foods can crowd out the nutrients your body needs for muscle repair and fades. Remember, no single food is a miracle, but healthy habits practiced every day can produce remarkable results over time. Your body is incredibly resilient. Even after 60, even after 70, and even after 80, the human body never completely stops adapting. Give it the right nutrients. Give it movement. Give it consistency. And it can respond in amazing ways. The muscles you save today may help protect your independence tomorrow. So don't ignore the warning signs of aging. Take action now. Choose foods that nourish your body. Support your heart. Protect your brain. Strengthen your muscles. And invest in a healthier future filled with energy, mobility, and vitality. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone over 60 who wants to stay strong and active. Your health is worth it, and it's never too late to start.